Hello, my dear students. Let us start a new topic today, which is direct and indirect speech. In this chapter, we will learn about direct and indirect speech, and we will learn how to convert direct into indirect and indirect into direct speech. Right? Let us first of all know what is a direct speech. Direct speech means when two people are talking. For example, I say first person and second person. So, first person is talking directly to the second person is direct speech. And what is indirect speech? When the second person reports what the first person had said to the third person is indirect speech. For example, like I am the teacher, right? And what I'm saying, Medha said, it will be put in inverted commas. Medha said, the teacher said, bring your books. So I am the first person, you are the second person. So first person is telling something to the second person is direct speech. You go home and mother is the third person. You are reporting to the mother what Medha said. Medha is first person. So what Medha said. So when second person reports what the first person had said to the third person is indirect speech. Right? We have certain rules for direct and indirect speech. When we convert direct into indirect, we have certain rules, like which sentence, which tense changes into which tense. Let's come to that. So I'm going to study the table with you and explain it. See, the sentence in the direct speech is, Vera said, I walked to school. I walk to school. Bache, when we are converting direct into indirect, we have certain steps we have to follow, certain steps in our mind. First is we have to identify the tense of the sentence. Here, and how to identify the tense? You can check the verb. Which form of verb it is? I walk to school. This is simple present, right? Simple present changes to simple past. On our Zoom class, also, when I was discussing this table, I told you to keep highlighters in your hand, right? And highlight this line. Simple present changes to simple past. So, Vera said that she, Vera is a girl, I will change into she. She walked to school. So, walk will be changed into walked. Second sentence, they said, we are playing basketball with our friends. First step to identify the tense. Are playing. Are playing is telling you it is present continuous. Present continuous changes to past continuous. They said that they were playing basketball with their friends. Right? So present continuous changes to past continuous. Coming to the third one, Harish said, I have sent an email to father. Have, sent. Have means present perfect. Sent is the third form of the verb. Present perfect changes to past perfect. And in past perfect, had is used with the third form. Harish said that he had sent an email to his father. So present perfect changes to past perfect. These are the rules which we have to learn, which tense changes to which tense, and it is not difficult. All present tenses changes to past tenses in direct and indirect. Number 4. Larry said, I saw an elephant near the station. Saw, see, saw, seen. This is second form of verb. Second form of verb is used in simple past tense. So this sentence is of simple past. Larry said, now simple past changes to past perfect. And in past perfect, had will come along with third form of verb. So Larry said that he Saw will change into past perfect. Had seen an elephant near the station. So simple past changes to past perfect. Number 5. The girls said, "We were preparing for the program." The girls, we were preparing. Were preparing is telling you it is past continuous. Past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. And past perfect continuous means had been will come. So, what should be our sentence in indirect form? The girls said that they, we will change into they, had been preparing for the program. Past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Sixth one, Naveen said, "I had returned the bike." Had returned, it is past perfect. And changing past perfect is very easy because past perfect does not undergo any change during direct and indirect. So Naveen said that he had returned the bike. Coming to number 7, Lara said, "I have been waiting for an hour now." Have been waiting. Have been means present perfect. Waiting, ing means continuous. So this is present perfect continuous, which will change into past perfect continuous. See, past continuous also changes to past perfect continuous. And present continuous, present perfect continuous also changes to past perfect continuous. Okay. So Lara said, "I have been waiting for an hour now." In past perfect, it will become have been, will become had been. Lara said that she had been waiting for an hour, then. Now changes to then. Always remember, now changes to then. Asha said, "I had been traveling with my friends." Eighth one, I had been traveling. Had been traveling is past. Had been is past perfect. Traveling is ing continuous. I had been traveling with my friends. So the past perfect continuous will not change in direct indirect. Asha said that she had been traveling with her friends. I will be changed into she and my will be changed into her. When we learn the tenses, what tense will change into what, it becomes very easy for us. Then we have some more things. If you ignore this, how to change declarative sentences, which is written in this pink form, this applies to all sentences. Said will change into said that. Said to can be written as asked or told that, depends upon the sentence. Asked is पूछना, told is बताना. Says that, says to, tells that, told, asked or told that. How do we change interrogative sentences? See, he asked, "Where do you live?" He asked me where I lived. Right? Simple present changing into simple past. Same tense rule will remain same whether it is declarative, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory. We use some creative words. For example, I am reading the examples of imperative sentences. See, Subhash Chandra Bose said to his countrymen, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." Subhash Chandra Bose said to his countrymen that. Instead of writing this, we can write urged his countrymen. Urged means उन्होंने जोर दिया to give him blood and he would give them freedom. The teacher said to the student, "Shut the door." Instead of writing the teacher said to the student that shut the door, we can write commanded. Okay, we are being creative. Like the teacher commanded the student to shut the door. Tense will remain same. Simple, if it is simple present, we are going to change it into simple past. Commanded. Okay, but we can be a little bit creative. Same exclamatory sentences, we can be a little creative. Tense rule will remain same. The tourist said, "What a beautiful place Kashmir is." The tourist exclaimed with wonder. Or we can write only, like in the book it is written, the tourist exclaimed that Kashmir was a beautiful place. So this table is also there for you if we are writing direct and indirect, like every present sentence, every sentence which is in present tense is changed into past tense. So they have given you the table to make things more easier for you. But what is the past form of is, was, am, was, are, were? They have just given you the past forms. I am coming to the down one. Yes, today. See, I told you now changes into then. Today changes to that day in past tense. Okay. Yesterday changes to the previous day. The day before is not wrong, but you just stick to one and learn one out of these two. You use, I advise you to use the previous day. Yesterday, the previous day. Tomorrow, the following day. Ago, before. Along with learning the tenses, which tense will change into which tense, learn these also. 4. Learn these 5 only, because rest of the verbs you know. What is the past form of is? Was. What is the past form of can? Could. What is the past form of may? Might. This you know. Learn these 5. Now then, today that day, yesterday the previous day, tomorrow the following day, ago before.